tripod though because he's like 4 foot taller than me.
Yeah. How tall are you?
They say that up in Michigan too.
Yeah.
I'm gonna get you that.
Boy, I wish you could smell that. Oh, ho, ho. Look, you're going to hear me say it. Just look at the goodness. Oh, yeah?
Oh, that's good.
Can you smell that yet?
Not yet.
Oh.
Overlooks it, man. Oh, yeah. Look at that goodness. That's going to be good.
Thank you, Campmaid. Bill Goudy checking in. I'm at YouTubery. Got my chili going. Ready for the chili cook-off. And I got my bush beer. And this is my chicken bush beer chili. Oh, it smells so good. Just sitting there simmering. Waiting, just waiting. We're just having a great time. I've been learning so much. Oh, yeah. I had a few vessels of amber fluid. They've been flowing, usually later at night, and I turn the camera off by then. All right, the adventure continues. The wind's coming up. Are you getting them? Are we ripping lips? Let me show you what Campmaid sent over for the winner of this chili cook-off. Look at that. Huh? Isn't that nice? Isn't that nice of Campmaid? Look at this. It's got the grill in the top part. The griddle is the lid. It's got the kickstand. Let me get that off. That's heavy. Heavy duty. Kickstand, the lid lifter, and the charcoal tray, all in one neat little compact bag. Everything you need right there. It was so nice of Campmaid to do that. I'm telling you, somebody's going to be very happy. Isn't that awesome? Look what else they sent over. Campmaid Dutch oven lid holder and serving stand. Oh, that's so nice. Look at this. Will you look at this? What do you
I'm
think?
excited. I've got it to do now. Look at these. All right, guys, here at YouTube V3 this year, we have decided to do a chili cook-off contest. We have 4 participants: Bill Goudy, Miss Betty, Skeeter, and Calvin's Corner 72. I have before me 4 they all look delicious. They all look delicious. There's a lot of goodness here before me. But I'm going to take out my Crawdaddy forge knife here. Also have a cold amber fluid, a vessel carried in glass by the Bush Company here. Awesome. Cheers. I'm going to use this to wash down in between tries here. I'm going to start at the end and work my way over. We'll see how it goes. That's good. That tastes like a hash brown with chili and all the goodness in it. That's pretty good. That one's pretty good too. That tastes like it's got a little bit of like a skyline in it, maybe some, I can't tell what it is. It almost tastes like a cinnamon maybe. I'm not sure. That was awesome.
Thought you was gonna wash in between.
I can't help it. I can't help it.
He's hungry. He ain't
Yeah.
got time to all that washing. Oh, look at that.
That was mine.
Hold on, man. I can't tell if this one's really ain't good or not. That's really good. That tastes like it's Mexican theme, like it's got like you can taste like even Mexican cornbread is not even in there, but it's gonna taste just like tastes like Mexican.
That's a deer meat chili, isn't it? Oh, you're not talking?
I don't know whose it is.
Try this one.
Mine's got cheese on it.
It's got cheese. Let's see what's up here.
I mean, I forgot my cheese. That's cool.
Oh, this has got all kinds of lovely veggies and whatnots in it.
Well, that'll give it away right there.
Yeah.
Uh-oh.
Whoa.
Uh-oh. We gotta try this one again, too.
Ain't so easy judging it.
This is hard.
Tell him.
Yeah, it's hard.
That's delicious. All right.
Alright.
This is, hold on.
What's going?
Let me think about this for a second.
Alright. Thank you.
Oh, all right.
First, second, third. Let's go.
All right, guys. Okay, we'll do it like this. In third place, I don't know whose this one was, but this here was awesome. There's number 3.
Cool.
All right, guys. This was so hard. And number 2. There is number 2.
Cool.
Awesome. And coming in at first place.
Where's the drum roll?
This one. This one took the cake right here, guys.
That was Miss Betty's?
That's
awesome.
Congratulations, Miss Betty. You killed it again.
Tell them what kind of what it's called.
Mexican chili paradise.
Mexican chili paradise. My God.
Awesome.
Mine was Mojo chili, so it had barbecue seasoning in it. So.
Ah.
And then, Bill, what'd you have in yours?
Secret.
Well, it's a secret.
Mine's the bush beer chili. Chicken bush beer chili.
What was in yours, Skeeter? What was yours called?
Breakfast in a bowl.
Breakfast in a bowl. Congratulations, everybody get a bowl. Let's see.
No, it's not terrible.
No, it's got a little kick, but not.
I mean,
Here's
hot.
all the
Heat.
spoils.
Oh, no. Oh, you mean spicy hot or?
Your mom, when
Yeah, heat
she
hot.
knew that was mine, she started laughing. I said, look at he's doing it just
See, that's funny though.
Messy, isn't it?
Here from Helga's Pennsylvania Cooking for the cooks, right?
For the chili cooks.
All right.
Let's see what's in here. Yeah.
Thank you, Miss Helga. Man, I should have had that before this. Might have won.
Uh-oh.
Chili powder.
Glasses Inc. Hill Country Chili Powder.
Golly. Thank you, Miss
Look at
Helga.
that.
That's awesome.
Ellisburg, Pennsylvania.
Dollar Tree here.
Texas Pete?
Nothing is complete without Texas Pete.
That's true.
Oh man.
There's some foods around here somewhere.
I'm sure everybody can see this goodness you got going on, Bill. It's looking mighty fine.
Something smells
Yeah.
like sauce.
Thank you, Aaron. Here I am without an ending again. I had a whole presentation of the Campmaid 6-piece Campmaid set to Miss Betty. for winning the chili cook-off. She was so proud. And I want to thank the Campmaid people for making this event possible. I mean, it was just so much fun. And I'm sure that Calvin and some of the others got some footage of this. We'll search the archives. I mean, maybe we have to go to their channel to see it. But thank you, Miss Betty, and thank you, Campmaid. It just, you know, it was so much fun. It really was. I want to thank you for watching. Bill Goudy out.